We guide you through how to remove a watermark in Capcut. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Capcut and create a new project. Then, import the video you want to edit. If the watermark appears at the end of your exported video, simply scroll to the end of the timeline and look for the Capcut ending clip. Tap on it and select delete to remove it instantly. If the watermark is already embedded inside the video itself, tap the video clip on the timeline and use the crop feature to cut out the area containing the watermark. You can also zoom in slightly to hide the watermark without affecting the overall look of the video. For watermarks located in the corners, try using stickers, overlays, or text elements to creatively cover them. Preview your video to make sure the watermark is no longer visible and adjust the crop or overlays if needed. Once you are satisfied with the result, tap Export in the top right corner and choose your preferred resolution and frame rate, and save the video to your device.